Alright, I got a new project. Don't tell my wife about it. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. I bought a new sight. It's a red dot with a either 5 times or 7 times multiplier. I don't know. I used AI to help him pick the right setup, and weirdly enough, Palmetto State Armory had it for it. But what it is for is this old beauty. It was like the first gun I ever bought. I paid about $750 for this, and it was used. It came with a completely different handguard and gas block. It didn't have a front grip. To tell myself it was a good deal, which it actually was a long time ago. So this was like Obama time, when times were scary and guns were expensive. This was, like I said, $750 used, and that was a good price. So I was like, oh crap. This is a Bushmaster lower. I never really hear about them anymore, but they used to be brag-worthy, I thought. And the upper half is Colt. But as you can see, I spray painted it myself, actually, a long time ago, in this Walmart-worthy paint. I know it looks like crap now, which I kind of actually like because it's chipping. But it's been beat to crap. It's been thrown on metal. It's been scuffed up for so long. I painted this myself also. The mag obviously came like that. It's a P-mag. Oh. Yeah. Let's prove that we're safe. Take out my mag. There's nothing. Clear. Hold it open just in case anybody's crazy. But yeah. Ta-da. In case you didn't know. Because most people watching my stuff, maybe they don't know, but this is an AR-15, not an assault rifle. There's no such thing as an assault rifle, in case you didn't know. There's an AR, which stands for Armalite, the original maker of the AR-15, that mass-produced them, at least. But yeah, anyway. This charging handle. I don't know, honestly, I kind of like it. Got a little mushiness, adjustable. Nothing special, but yeah, I got a nice sight coming on in the front. And pretty darn excited because I'm going to try to check this thing out. I'm going to get like custom dust covers and custom charging handles and you name it. I want to get into shooting, so if any of you guys, or gals especially, because I have no friends, want to go shooting, I would love a friend. I don't want to go shooting by myself. That seems really depressing for me. Like, I don't know. Please, let me share my toys. You guys can shoot them with me, you know, all that stuff. I'm not greedy. But yeah. Just wanted to let you guys see. And I'll let you know when the stuff comes in and update you then.